Dear student, in our last video we learn a 4 numerical. One is based on the series and the one is based on the parallel combination, and remaining two based on the resistance variation with the temperature, as well as we learn a question related to drift velocity and time taken to take the electron from one end to another end. And next question we'll discuss question number 5. Find the equivalent or effective value of resistance between two terminal A and B. In that we'll discuss first question. It is nothing but A. They given a circuit, the three resistor, ಮೂರು resistor ಗಳನ್ನು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ohm 1 ohm 1 ohm each in between A and B. This one is the given circuit or network, and in this circuit you have to find out the effective or equivalent value of resistance between 2 points. It is nothing but A and B. And before getting the answer for this, by seeing this circuit ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, these three are maybe connected in series, maybe connected in parallel. To simplify this, you have to follow the different steps. In that we'll follow one step one by one. First, step 1. In case of this circuit, I will take the circuit as it is, like this. 3 resistors like this. It is the end B, it is the end A. Here to here it is connected, here to here it is connected, like this. First I will name the ends of a resistor. Total 3 resistors are there, each got value is equal to 1 ohm, like this. In more resistor I will do the naming by using numbers. E end anna I call it as 1, this end I call it as 2. Total 3 resistors are there, total containing 6 ends. E end anna I call it as 3, this end becomes 4, this end is 5, this end is 6. I will redraw the circuit. Next step, I will redraw the circuit. Next step, first I did a numbering. Next, step 2, I will redraw the circuit by using this number. I will take it from point A. I will take from point A like this. Just see the circuit, dear student. A in the total we can expect the 3 connections. ಏನಲ್ಲ connections ಇದೆ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, A connected to 1, A is also connected to 4, A is also connected to 5. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ 1 ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ 4, ಎ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ 5. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ 3 connections like this. 3 connections are connected to 3 ends. First, A is connected to terminal 1. Opposite part of terminal 1 is terminal 2. It is a 1 ohm resistor, like this. Next, A is also connected to one more terminal. What is the terminal? 4. A is also connected to one more terminal. The terminal is 4. Opposite part of terminal 4 is terminal 3, like this. Again, A is also connected to one more terminal. That is nothing but terminal 5. Terminal 5. Opposite end of terminal 5 is terminal 6. I repeat, A is connected to terminal 1, is connected here. A is connected to terminal 4, it is connected here. A is connected to terminal 5, illi connect agide. Now check this, 2 and 3. In case of this circuit, 2 and 3 are connected here. 2 and 3 are connected like this. 2 and 3 are connected. 2 and 3 together connected to terminal 6. 2 and 3 together connected to terminal 6. It is connected to terminal 6. This is the terminal 6. I repeat, 2 and 3 are connected illi. Adu ottagi it connected to terminal 6. Terminal 6 connected to which point here? End B. Terminal 6 connected to end B. Just see the circuit clearly. Dear student, this one is a given circuit. Step 1 alli ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, same circuit I did a numbering for each end. Each resistor got a 2 terminal. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು terminal ಗೂ I indicate the number like this. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೀ ನಂಬರ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಿಶ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ redraw the circuit. Second important step is redraw the circuit. Second important step is redraw the circuit. I taken from A got a 3 option, A connected to 1, A connected to 4, A connected to 5, A connected to 1, A connected to 4, A connected to 5. Then here 2 and 3 are connected, 2 and 3 are connected here. Amele 2 and 3 together connected to 6. 2 and 3 together connected to 6. 6 is connected to end B. ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು redraw ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ I got this format. Now when you go to see this, all the 3 resistors got the same resistance. ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ in between 2 common point A and B 3 resistors are connected. That combination we call as which combination, dear student? Parallel combination. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು parallel combination ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. 3 ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಈ 3 ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ how they connected? In the form of parallel. Automatically for a parallel combination, you know the formula, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. You know the formula. Then 1 by Rp is nothing but 1 divided by Rab. Rab is nothing but resistance between A and B, or effective or equivalent value of resistance between A and B. 1 by Rab is equal to 1 divided by R1. What is the value for R1 here? They given 1 ohm. Plus 1 divided by R2. What is the value for R2 they given here? 1 ohm. It becomes 1 by 1. Plus 1 divided by R3. It becomes 1 by 1. Now 1 divided by Rab, after simplification it becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1. Total answer becomes 3. That means Rab is equal to 1 by 3 ohm. Keep this answer in your mind. Rab is equal to 1 by 3 ohms. Rab is equal to 1 divided by 3 ohms. Dear student, for a parallel combination, effective value of resistance we can write it like this: 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, so on up to 1 by Rn if n number of resistors are connected in parallel. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1 by Rp, resistance between terminal A and B, is equal to 1 by 3 ohms, or we can write Rab is equal to, it becomes 0.33 ohm is the value of resistance between terminal A and terminal B. Dear student, the second question they given, this is the circuit. In this circuit again you have to find out the effective or equivalent value of resistance between terminal A and B. These two are the terminal, there will be a gap. E gap only what should be a resistance. While seeing this circuit it looks like a bit complicated, but again you have to go for 2 steps. I already told clearly, first you have to take the number system, then you have to go for redrawing the circuit, then you have to do a simplification. The steps you have to follow. And in a given circuit I will write the numbering system like this: is a terminal 1, it is a terminal 2, terminal 3, terminal 4, terminal 5, terminal 6, terminal 7, terminal 8. It contains total 8 terminals by considering 4 resistors. Again you have to redraw the circuit. I will start from terminal A or end A. Dear student, end A connected to only one terminal. What is the terminal? 1. Now end A connected to one terminal, I call it as end 1. Another end, opposite part of that, we call it as end 2. I taken second terminal is 2. Dear student, second terminal is connected to 3 more terminals, is divided into 3 branches. It connected to third terminal, is connected to fifth, it connected to 7th. Check ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ second terminal is connected to third terminal, connected to fifth terminal, connected to 7. Then second one got a 3 option. Second terminal got a 3 option. More options ಇದೆ, that we check now. Again, first second terminal connected to resistor end 3. End 3, ಅದರ opposite end ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? End 4. Again second terminal connected to end 5. It connected to end 5. ಅದರ opposite end ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? Check this circuit. End 6. check ಮಾಡಿ end 6 ಇದೆ opposite end. Again terminal 2 is also connected to one more end. It is nothing but end 7. It connected to end 7. Opposite part of that is end 8. End 8. Just check ಮಾಡಿ A ಇಂದ start ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. A connected to 1 is, again opposite terminal is 2. The 2 got a 3 option. It is nothing but terminal 2 connected to 3, terminal 2 connected to 5, terminal 2 connected to 7, terminal 2 connected to 3, terminal 2 connected to 5, terminal 2 connected to 7. Next, 8, 6 and 4. 8, 6 and 4. It connected like a semicircle. Just see this. 8, 6 matte 4. 4, 6, 8 or 8, 6, 4. More what to connect agide. That means all the 3 are joined together like this. All the 3 are joined together. Join aito. Again, these 3 together. Come over here. Check maadi. 4, 6, 8. Illig baratte. 4 sa illig baratte. It is connected to which end? End B. It connected to end B. Remember, idu kottiruva circuit, adanna redraw ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ I got this format. I got on simple format like this. Idanna we have to simplify now. Ella resistor ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1 ohm. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು resistor 1 ohm ಇದೆ. Check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. When you going to see this circuit, you come to know that these 3 resistors, how they connected? They connected in the form of parallel. They connected in the form of parallel. Again, if you go for these 3 resistors, they connected in parallel. Effective value of resistance is 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. You have to write it like this. 3 resistors. They connected in the form of parallel. Then 1 divided by Rp is equal to 1 by R1. It is nothing but 1. R1 value is 1 plus 1 by R2. What is the value for R2? R2 is also equal to 1. 1 by R3. What is the value for R3? R3 is also equal to 1. After simplification, we got 1 by Rp is equal to 3. In other words, Rp is equal to 1 by 3 ohm. This is the answer for Rp I got. Again, redraw the circuit further. This circuit is equivalent to, I started from end A. End A in the start madidane. It connected to one resistor here. That is nothing but, what is that resistance value? 1 ohm. Again, it is connected to these 3 resistors. They are connected in the form of parallel. Ee 3 resistor, what should be the answer I got here? 1 by 3. Automatically, these 3 resistors together I got. Which value here? Rp, effective or equivalent value of resistance in parallel. What is the value for Rp I got here? 1 by 3 ohm. That opposite part is equal to which terminal here? Terminal B. Again, A matte B naduve, when you are going to see now, 2 resistors, they are connected in the form of which combination, dear student? Series combination. Automatically, effective value of resistance in a series combination we taken as Rs is also equal to, we can write it as Rab. Rab is nothing but in between AB, 2 resistors are connected in series. Automatically, Rs is equal to Rab is equal to R1 plus Rp. That is the value. Second, R2 is nothing but Rp here. We can take R1 plus R2 plus R3 so on up to Rn. Here first resistor R1 tagonde, second resistor is Rp. Then Rab becomes 1 ohm. Value for R1 plus 1 by 3. It's the value for Rp. After simplification, it becomes 3 plus 1 divided by 3. Therefore, resistance between terminal A and B is equal to 4 divided by 3 ohm is the answer. The value of effective value of resistance or equivalent value of resistance between terminal A and B by using a previous step numerical itself. I told how to use the different steps here. Adana use madkondu we got the resistance between A and B. Dear student, these kind of questions usually important for exam, mainly for 1 or 2 marks, and especially these kind of questions are required for competitive exams like CET, NEET or JEE Main, and usually they're going to ask 1 or 2 questions in a CET. Simplify simplify or find the effective value of resistance between A and B by using some circuits. They will provide some circuit, ಅದನ್ನು use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು you have to find out the effective value of resistance between A and B. Dear student, in a question number 5, you have to find out the effective or equivalent value of resistance between A and B. They given third circuit, I name it as C. The circuit is like this, end A and B. In between end A and B, they connected number of resistor like this. You have to find out the effective value of resistance between A and B. Dear student, when you want to see this circuit, we can easily analyze whether the resistors are connected in series or parallel. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ these three resistor is connected like end to end. These three resistor is also connected like end to end. Again ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು I can say that these three resistors are connected in which combination? Series combination. Along with that, these three resistor also connected in which combination? Series combination. Again you have to read all the circuit. In case of this, I consider this one I taken as R1. Usually R1 I assume it as RS. These three resistor together I will get a single resistor. That single resistor we call it as effective or equivalent value of resistance in series, that we taken as RS. That RS I name it as R1 here. That R1 is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Three resistors are there. I taken R1, R2, R3. ಅದನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ I taken RS. For easy purpose that I will take it as R1 here. That becomes RS is also I taken as what is that? R1 is equal to R1 value is ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1 ohm, R2 value is 1 ohm, R3 value is 1 ohm. Total R1 value is nothing but RS is equal to I got what is the answer? 3 ohm. Now ಈ ಮೂರು resistor ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 ohm. Similarly, these three also connected in series. I name that as R2 is also connected in series. RS, that formula is R1 plus R2 plus R3 so on up to Rn if n number of resistors are connected in series. That becomes R2 is equal to, what is the value for R1 given here? 1 ohm. R2 given here 1 ohm. R3 given is 1 ohm. It becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1. R2 answer becomes, what is the answer I got here? 3 ohm. I got the answer is equal to 3 ohm. Again in between that one resistor is there. I not mention the value for this. If I take that value is equal to 3 ohm ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಎನ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, it may be a different value you can take. ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ. Now when I want to redraw this circuit, simplified circuit becomes starting from A ಇಂದ start ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Again A is connected to upper part. It connected to 3 resistor together. That I got the answer is R1 is equal to 3 ohm. Again middle one, it is not simplified yet. Its value is equal to I taken as R is equal to 3 ohm is given, this one. And along with this, these three are simplified. I got the answer for that 3 resistor is R2 is equal to 3 ohm. We got the answer. These three together connected to terminal B like this. And remember, either write the circuit and I simplified like this. I got a 3 resistor. When you going to see this, these 3 resistors, how they connected by seeing this? Yes, they connected in the form of parallel. In between ಎರಡು point, common point A and B, 3 resistors are connected. That combination we call as parallel combination. Automatically I got the answer RAB, 1 divided by RAB, resistance between A and B. They connected in the form of parallel. That also we can write it like 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. That R2 I taken as R plus 1 by R3. That R3 I taken as R2 is a formula that I told in the previous 2 numericals. That becomes 1 by RAB is equal to 1 divided by 3 R1 value plus 1 divided by 3 R value plus 1 divided by 3 is nothing but R2 value. After simplification, 1 divided by RAB becomes 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. How many times? 3 times. 3 divided by 3 I got. 3 divided by 3. After simplification, RAB is equal to 1 ohm. RAB is equal to 1 ohm. Effective value of resistance between A and B is equal to 1 ohm. Is one of the important question again for competitive purpose. Even in case of annual exam also, I got the answer for resistance between A and B is equal to 1 ohm by considering these three are in series, these three are in series, these three are connected in the form of parallel. At the end I got the answer RAB is equal to 1 ohm.